That was loud. Alright, let's do this. So, I think it's a great time to start the video right there. With the startup being as loud as it is. She's dirty. She needs a clean. She needs a bath. Bad. Anyways, don't be worried. I warmed up the car. Oh, I gotta do some maneuvering real quick. I warmed up the car before I came out here. So I don't want you guys to think I'm cold starting and then driving away. But, yeah. What's up, guys? So, my name's Dylan, or you guys know me by the channel name Scott's E210, which refers to my Corolla hatchback. But, today, I'm gonna downshift a couple times. That's what we're doing today. We're gonna do downshifts and, you know, just go all out. It's gonna be great. But let's get up to this light. But yeah, so this is just like a little driving vlog I wanted to do to kind of give people an idea of what my channel is and what I want to do. And what that is more of this pretty much. A lot of driving, really cool cars like my own. At least I think it's cool. You guys can say otherwise, but yeah. But I just want to do more vlogs like this, just to give you guys an idea what to expect, and just kind of keep this going consistently as something I do. And I do hopefully want to do a day in the life soon. I don't know how soon I'll be able to, but we'll see. We will definitely see. But today I have a gender reveal for my best friend, and that's going to be fun. And then after that, it's kind of just whatever. I don't know what exactly I'm going to do today, but now that I know the roads are semi-safe to drive on with the ice, then we will see. Yeah, most of my content right now is on TikTok because that's what's getting the most feedback right now. But I'm hoping to build this YouTube channel and build a brand off of it and really come into my own, you know? Really just start something fresh, something new, and see where I can take it, and hopefully take it further. Take it far. I want to take it far, and just really see what I can come up with, see what I can do. Because a lot of people have been telling me to do this. A lot of people tell me to take more pictures, more photos, more videos. They say I need to practice more photography. I'm really good at it with just my phone, and I do enjoy it. It's just very time consuming, and building up that energy to do it, and getting into my discipline era right now, being consistent with everything I do and making sure I'm on this schedule, and it's been a really great experience, to say the least. And I do recommend it to other people. It will get tiring really quick, but you just got to keep doing it. You just got to keep doing it. Like, there's no easy way to put it, except for, you know, what you feel has nothing to do with what you do, unless you feel like you're going to succeed. And so that's really what it all comes down to. As long as you know you're going to succeed, and you have this feeling deep inside you that you're going to succeed, you will succeed. And that's bottom line how it is. And you're going to tell yourself a bunch of lies. Like, you know, oh, I'm succeeding already, or just anything to beat around the bush and not stay disciplined and do whatever it is you want to do, when bottom line is, you know what you're doing wrong, you know how to fix it, and you're going to. But yeah, hopefully you guys will see more content from me, like car vlogs talking about what I'm gonna do in the day, or just updates on the channel and whatnot. And hopefully I'll become better at speaking as well, and I'll stop saying hopefully as much. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Oh, my phone vanished. There it is.